Strawberry smoothie recipe. In the realm of refreshing and healthy drinks, the strawberry smoothie holds a special place. Made with the goodness of fresh strawberries and other nutritious ingredients, this delightful beverage is satisfying for both the taste buds and the body. In this essay, we will explore the recipe for a delicious strawberry smoothie, perfect for any time of the day. To start, gather all the necessary ingredients. You will need 1 cup of fresh strawberries, half a cup of yogurt, preferably Greek yogurt for added creaminess, half a cup of milk, choose your preferred type, and 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar to sweeten the smoothie. Additionally, you can also add a handful of ice cubes to make the smoothie colder and thicker. Once you have the ingredients ready, the next step is to blend them together. Start by washing and hulling the strawberries and removing the green tops. Cut them into halves to make them easier to blend. Place the strawberries in the blender, followed by the yogurt, milk, and sweetener. If you choose to add ice cubes, put them in the blender as well. Blend everything until smooth and creamy, ensuring that all the ingredients are well combined. After blending, take a moment to check the consistency of your smoothie. If it is too thick, you can add a little more milk or water to thin it down. On the other hand, if it is too thin, you can add a few more strawberries or ice cubes to thicken it up. It is crucial to achieve the desired thickness to ensure the perfect smoothie experience. Once you are satisfied with the consistency, it is time to serve your strawberry smoothie. Pour it into a glass or a bowl and consider garnishing it with a fresh strawberry or a mint leaf for presentation. The vibrant pink color of the smoothie is sure to tempt your senses, inviting you to dive into its fruity goodness. The final step is to enjoy your creation. Take a sip of the strawberry smoothie, allowing the sweet and tangy flavors to dance on your taste buds. The coolness of the drink provides a refreshing sensation, making it an excellent choice for warm summer days or a post-workout energizer. You can also experiment with different variations by adding ingredients like bananas, spinach, or almond milk for an added twist. In conclusion, the strawberry smoothie recipe offers a delightful and nutritious beverage option that can be enjoyed by all. By following the simple steps of preparing and blending the ingredients, you can create a delicious and refreshing treat that is both healthy and satisfying. So, why not give it a try and indulge in the goodness of strawberries today? Thanks for watching, and for more information on kale and healthy living, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe.